Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Hansika's top 6 wet rainy scenes. Hansika Motwani is an Indian actress appeared in Tamil and Telugu films. Hansika began her career as a child actor in Hindi films and later on went on to appear in lead roles in Telugu and Tamil films. She is also known as the most glamorous milky white beauty actress of Tamil cinema. Here we are presenting top 6 wet rainy scenes of Hansika. At number 6, Bindas. These rainy scenes were picturized for the film Bindas. It is a 2008 Kannada film starring Puneet Rajkumar in the main lead. It was directed by D. Rajendra Babu and produced by M. Chandrasekhar. The music of the film was composed by Guru Kiran. Hansika was beautifully picturized throughout the film by the cinematographer H.C. Venu. This is Hansika's only Kannada film till date. The film was a huge success at the box office and Hansika was appreciated for her beauty and acting by both critics and audience. Number 5, Sita Ramula Kalyanam Lankalo. These rainy scenes were picturized for the film Sita Ramula Kalyanam Lankalo. It is a 2010 Telugu action film starring Nitin in the main lead. It was directed by Ishwar. Music was composed by Anup Rubens. Hansika was beautifully picturized throughout the film by the cinematographer Malhar Bhatt Joshi. The film was a box office success and Hansika was also appreciated for her performance by both critics and audience. At number 4, Pokiri Raja. These rainy scenes were picturized for the film Pokiri Raja. It is a 2016 Tamil supernatural comedy film starring Jeeva in the main lead. It was directed by Ram Prakash Rayappa and produced by P.T. Selvakumar and T.S. Ponselvi. The music of the film was composed by D. Iman. Hansika was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Anji. Although critics rejected the film, but Hansika's performance was appreciated by the audience. At number 3, Megaman. These scenes were picturized for the film Megaman. It is a 2014 Tamil action thriller starring Arya in the main lead. It was directed by Magil Tirumani and produced by Nemichan Jabak. The music was composed by S. Taman. Hansika was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer S. R. Satish Kumar. Hansika was appreciated from critics and audience for this film's performance. At number 2, Dina Ready. These rainy scenes were picturized for the film Dina Ready. It is a 2012 Telugu action film starring Vishnu Manchu in the main lead. It was directed by G. Nageshwar Reddy and produced by Mohan Babu. The music of the film was composed by Yuvan Shankar Raja and Chakri. Hansika was beautifully picturized throughout the film by the cinematographer Siddharth Ramswamy. Hansika was very much appreciated for her performance in the film by the audience and became household name in Telugu film industry after the film's release. At number 1, Velayudam. These rainy scenes were picturized for the film Velayudam. It is a 2011 Tamil action comedy film starring Vijay in the main lead. It was directed by Mohan Raja and produced by V. Ravichandran. The music was composed by Vijay Antony. Hansika was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Priyam. The film collected 60 crores at that time and became a commercial success at the box office, and Hansika was appreciated for her film by both critics and audience. This video is dedicated to Hansika Motwani, the milky white glamorous actress of Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again.